What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Pepe fam, I am back with another video for you guys. Pepe looking pretty good, man. And again, the community of Pepe, the iconicness of this meme coin. It's such a big meme. It is such a meme that everyone knows and recognizes. When new retail, when new money finally starts to get into the space, and we're over this choppy, boring sideways action. That's when you're gonna see Pepe start to go crazy, man, go ballistic, go bonkers, right? And again, a lot of people will be able to identify with the Pepe meme. So again, you got a portfolio of altcoins, man. You got your altcoins, your use case altcoins, you got them stacked, and then you just want to be like, well, I got a little bit of extra money, you know, maybe I go with a little moon bag play, because you know what happened with Shiba Inu and Doge in the last bull cycle, right? People tossing in $500 to $1,000 in the Shiba and making, you know, 6 figures to $1 million, right? This is where Pepe comes in. This is where Pepe comes in, and that's why I'm gonna put it on you, all of you guys that tune in. I'm gonna put it on your radar. This is where Pepe comes in, man. Again, it's a meme coin. It's gonna be a high risk, high reward play because it is a meme coin. There's obviously, you shouldn't bet the bank on Pepe, but there's a highly probable chance, there's a high likelihood of it absolutely crushing it going into the bull cycle. And I don't think you guys should miss that chance, right? Even having a little bit of exposure to it, having it in your portfolio with just a little bit of exposure could make you some nice gains going into the bull run. A lot of people got a ton of losses last year in the bear market, and you know, this could be another way for you to get, you know, recover some of those losses that you took. You know, me for example, I got absolutely wrecked last year, man. Absolutely wrecked. But we still here, we're still gonna keep pushing, right? My apologies for the background noise, guys. It's raining out, you know. We are entering, like, you know, a lot of crazy weather occurrences are starting to change all of a sudden. But I had to record and get the videos out, so I hope you guys don't mind the sounds of nature, the rain in the background. Gotta get these videos recorded though. So Pepe fam, if you're tuning in, you want to see more updates, more engagement, more entertainment, more content on Pepe, please be sure to show support to the videos, to the channel. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share with your friends and family, and spread awareness, man. The more you guys support the Pepe content creators, the more the project community grows. And in my opinion, with the bigger and bigger community is, the price will follow, right? So if we take a look at Pepe right now, we'll see Pepe sitting at $441 million in market cap. Again, such a great entry here. Pepe drops to the 100 mil market cap level, man. I'm gonna I already said it in my live streams, I'm gonna do everything it takes to scoop up Pepe at 100 mil market cap, right? I'm gonna do everything I can to scoop up like a big bag, like a bag that would probably make me homeless. It's either I hit it big or I go homeless. That's the type of bag I'm talking about if Pepe ever goes back to 100 mil market cap. I don't think it will though. Volume right now is $48 million, which is amazing. On the 24-hour, 93% of the supply is out for Pepe. We can see Binance got $9.8 million in volume from Binance, 2.8 on their Pepe tribe here, 2.3 mil on Kucoin, 500k on Uniswap, 200k on Kraken, guys. And there's so many exchanges that Pepe is listed on, Gemini as well, creating getting volume. So many other exchanges, low cap exchanges that people love to trade on, like BitGet, you know, Gate.io, Bybit, right, OKX. You know, it's only a matter of time until we see that Coinbase listing for Pepe as well. I'm telling you, I wouldn't rule it out, man. And look at right here from Coin Edition, Whale purchases $583,000 worth of Pepe on-chain data. Let's take a look at that, man, because this is what I'm talking about. There's more and more whales that are buying up Pepe, and I'm just following what the big money's doing, man. The big money You know, the millionaires, the people got 6 figures to put in a meme coin, they are buying up Pepe. You're not seeing these huge buys on much other meme coins anymore, in my opinion, right? But Pepe, you're seeing it. The on-chain tracking firm Look On Chain revealed a tweet yesterday. Notorious Pepe whale Machi Big Brother, known for his ability to buy Pepe low and sell high, but 367 mil over the past 48 hours, according to the post. The purchase was valued at $583,000 and was executed on Binance. This is not the whale's first major Pepe purchase this month. Look On Chain revealed in a tweet on the 14th of August 2023. Machi Big Brother had purchased 1.14 million ape valued at 2.3 million from Binance back then as well. Nobody has accumulated a total of 1.8 million Pepe this August. And we got an image right here from Look On Chain showing Machi Big Brother.eth buying up a huge bag of ape and also buying a big bag of Pepe, right? You can see from the chart as well, you know, we're in this range, guys. We bounced off this previous support. Nice chart from the Bollinger Bands. We're at the bottom of the bottom Bollinger Band right here. And, you know, we could see this breakout 1.1 to 1.9 for Pepe. That's close to a 2x breakout. And once those bullish breakouts start to happen, guys, you know it's gonna continue with FOMO, with people realizing, whoa, Pepe's waking up. Time to buy in. Green candles, buy in. Right? You know how the psychology of investors are. When they see green, they want to buy. They don't want to buy when it's red. Right? But yeah, $583,000 purchase of Pepe. And that's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm keeping an eye on. I'm watching what the big money is doing, man. And like, just like we saw in this previous range, my lines have been here for the longest. We're still in this same range. I had this line as a support level, and we're in this level where we're bouncing off this support line, and you know, we could be making a move up to break this resistance to continue up higher for Pepe. So we're gonna keep an eye on that. Again, we checked it out in a previous video that Pepe is updating the whole rebranding, get the hat removed. They already updated it on Etherscan, right? It's on all the Etherscan peers, Dex Tools, Dex Screener peers. That is just the Pepe frog without the hat, right? And again, that's way more appealing because, you know, with the hat, it has like political ties to it. So removing that, you see, it's already updated on CMC. Oh, look. I didn't even notice that. So you see right here, that's very bullish. So it's already updated on CMC as well, right? The symbol without the hat. Look at it. Okay, yeah, there you go. I didn't even notice that, guys. Look at this. It's gone for CMC now too. Look at that. Okay, again, super bullish. Gotta get updated on their community thing for coin market cap as well. But when people are looking for Pepe now, they'll see it without the hat, which is very nice, right? No political affiliation, so it just makes it more accessible to anyone, no matter what side they're on politically, right? Pepe friend, day 22 of asking Coinbase to list Pepe. It's only a matter of time, man. Coinbase will have to give in. From Plasma, 86 new Pepe holders today. No news Sunday, but guess what? The holders are still growing. It's only a matter of time until we see Pepe at 1 million, man. Million holders, right? 5 coins from Kucoin bullish on Pepe now too. They're doing some free promo for Pepe. Look at this. Top 5 coins weekly by weekly search popularity. In number 3 we got Pepe, right? It's only a matter of time till number 1 is Pepe. No disrespect to she, but we coming for that number 1 spot, man. This is super bullish. That Kucoin 2.5 million followers is giving some free promo to Pepe, man, letting people know, hey, this is a very popular coin, you might want to take a look. And also another project that I cover on the channel right here, number 5. You know, you watch the channel, you know the project. Pepe to 1 cent. Do not underestimate how big this the Pepe meme is. And that's my thought process, man. It's too iconic. The Pepe meme is, everybody knows the frog. It's way too iconic, man. Just like how people were bullish on Doge and Shiba in the last cycles and what they did, Pepe is gonna do it, man. And it might even outperform the previous runs that Shiba and Doge did. You never know. Sir KUN, which meme coin will hit their next all-time high soon? And this is the thing, Pepe has never seen a bull market. It has way better price discovery because it's never seen a bull market before. There's no underwater bag holders that's gonna sell when it tries to go for new all-time highs, right? Because it's gonna just enter price discovery constantly, and people are just gonna see there's not gonna be any resistance. There's not gonna be any, just like we saw in Shiba and Doge. You see, when Doge went on its huge run up, this huge God candle, there's no resistance, zero. You know, now when Doge tries to go for another run, it's gonna have resistance because it's already seen a bull run, right? Same thing with Shiba, man. Let's go to the other memes. Oh, there. Okay. Go to the memes, and then we go to Shiba. Look at this, man. See, huge run up. Huge run up, man. No resistance. Huge God candles. And this is why I say Pepe will outperform a lot of projects that have never seen a bull run. You know, Shiba and Doge will have a lot of resistance to fight because they got some underwater bag holders. They got people underwater who are buying at all-time highs, still holding. As soon as they start to pump Doge and Shiba, people are selling. They're like, oh, finally, I'll get to break even. And then they sell, right? Pepe, you ain't gotta worry about that with Pepe, man. Like, the resistance levels they're non-existent, so it's much easier for that God candle to appear in Pepe. So Pepe fam, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Let me get your thoughts. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Share with your friends and family, guys. Blow this video up. Let's go viral. Keep spreading awareness of the frog. I really appreciate you guys. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.